Hello everyone, just a short, simple lesson today. We'll try to explain when to use s and when to use z when saying with in Slovene, and also hopefully make it easy to remember, of course. Okay, the first point of today's lesson is that whenever you translate the English word with to Slovene, you have to use the instrumental. The instrumental is the sixth and final case of the Slovene case system. This is the main function of the instrumental, or the one you should remember first, and also the one that gives the instrumental its name. To make sure we remember this, let's make up a cool sentence like, let's say, she stabbed her annoying husband with a pen. Well, we've marked our tool or instrument by underlining it, and we've just learned that the word with tells us right away we have to use the word pen in the sixth case when translating to Slovene. However, that's just the case of the noun, so the ending the word pen is gonna take in Slovene. But what about the word with itself? We're still missing that. In Slovene, with is just the letter S or Z, and even native speakers sometimes make the mistake of using the wrong one. So, how do we know whether the English word with is a S or a Z in a specific example? Whether we use S or Z depends on the sound of the word that follows the preposition. The Slovene alphabet has 25 letters. Let's break that down to 25 is 9 plus 16. With 9 letters, we use S. And with 16, we use Z. Which means it makes a lot of sense to make an effort to really learn and remember the S ones. Then if you're confident it isn't an S, it has to be a Z. Now, which are those 9 letters and how do we go about remembering them? Use S with the letters T, Ch, S, and Sh. These 4 are easy to remember. Think of them as 2 pairs or 2 siblings. So you have a C and its weird brother or sister, and an S and its weird sibling. The other 5 we have to remember are F, H, K, P, and T. With these 5, I suggest coming up with a mnemonic that'll help us remember. So basically, come up with a sentence that has 5 words, each starting in one of the letters F, H, K, P, or T. If your native tongue isn't English, then I suggest making it in your own language. Now, even if you don't come up with anything you think is particularly good, I think there's still a high chance that you'll remember the letters regardless, just by playing around with different possibilities for 15 to 20 minutes. Try making the sentences funny or absurd. Do anything that you think will help you remember. So, here are mine. The kangaroo feels pretty hot. The kamikaze pilot feels high. And the fat koala parties hard. In today's lesson, we're going with the fat koala parties hard. So we have our T, F, K, P, and H. And let's add C, Ch, S, and Sh as well to not forget those. So we're all set. If the letter is in the top right of the screen, use an S. If not, use a Z. Let's do a short exercise to review what we've learned. Okay, so we have 16 examples, 8 male and 8 female given names. Go top to bottom and then left to right, starting with Anya. First decide on whether to use an S or a Z. For that, just check the top right corner. Then decide which ending the noun is going to take. In the top left, you have the case endings of nouns in the singular. Sok is juice, kava coffee, and pivo beer. For example, for Anya, you check which ending feminine nouns get in the instrumental. So have a look at what happens to kava or coffee. Same goes for all masculine names and sok. Oh, and the red E means it's pronounced like a schwa, so and the letter disappears in the instrumental. Okay, ready? Pause the video and press spacebar only once you think you've got the correct answer, since I won't slow down the video. Pause the video now. Anya. Z, Anjo. Try pronouncing it as a single word. Zanjo. David. Z, Davidom. Z Davidom. Tanja. S, Tanjo. S Tanjo. Klemen. S Klemnom. S Klemnom. Sonja. S Sonjo. Sonjo. Just drag out the S. Sonjo. Peter. S Petrom. S Petrom. Natasha. Z Natasho. Z Natasho. Filip. S Filipom. S Filipom. Hanna. S Hano, s Hano. Erik, z Erikom, z Erikom. Maja, z Majo, z Majo. Tilen, s Tilnom, s Tilnom. Tina, s Tino, s Tino. Rok, z Rokom, z Rokom. Nuša, z Nušo, z Nušo. Žan, z Žanom, z Žanom. I know this one is weird. So, now you know how to say with someone in Slovene. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. As always, good luck, study hard, and aim for the stars.